My name is Andrew DeVille. I'm one of the senior experience designers working at TEDx. Today we're looking to understand what belonging actually means in the context of a hotel, of spaces, of outside of the hotel as we go through the activities. As we think of ideas today, I want you to not just think big, I also want you to think small, because small things can actually make a big impact to people's lives.
Today was a really wonderful event. It was really great to collaborate with a number of different people. We had on our table, I think, a total exception where we had unanimous votes on all 3 stages of the process, so it was really fun.